Why listening is important and importance of listening. Today we are going to talk about this. Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you all guys are doing great. Welcome again to this new video. I'm your English Wali ma'am and my name is Dineshwari. In today's video we are going to talk about why listening is important or importance of listening. Friends, today I will tell everything in detail importance of listening. Okay, so this video is going to be very interesting and very informative for you, so make sure that you watch this video with total attention and with interest, and this video is going to be very helpful for you, so make sure that you watch this video till end. And if you like this video, so don't forget give a thumbs up of this video and share this video to your friends and your relatives. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Why listening is important and importance of listening. Today we are going to talk about this. Friends, today I will tell something about myself, that why listening is important and how did listening help me a lot to learn English. Okay, so let's know. Friends, when I started my English learning journey, I used to listen a lot, and just because of listening, I was able to speak English at that moment. And now I'm speaking English very well just because of my listening. So, listening plays important role in your English learning journey. If you want to start your English learning journey, so I would like to suggest you that you should start from listening. And trust me friends, it will help you a lot to learn English easily. Because when I started my English learning journey, I used to listen a lot, and at that moment I was able to speak English just because of listening. That's why I can say that if you want to start your English learning journey and you are a beginner, so you should start from listening, and you will definitely speak English from that day when you will start your English learning journey. Okay, so if you want to start your English learning journey, so that is best way to start your English learning journey. Okay, so let's know the benefits of listening. Okay, if you are starting your learning journey from listening, so you will start English speaking from that day. Okay, and second thing, you will know the right pronunciation by listening, right? And the next one is, by listening you will get more words and sentences, and in order to speak English very well, we listen more, and we should listen more. And if we want to speak English very well, so we need to know the right pronunciation of that particular word. So if you want to start your English learning journey, so listening is the best way to start English learning journey. And you know what? The most important thing which I haven't tell you till now, what is that I will tell. You know what? Listening is very easy trick and very easy tips for you. You can easily listen. You don't need to do hard work. Okay, you don't need to put efforts for listen. Okay, you just start your mobile and start English content and just listen. You don't need to do anything. Okay, you just listen. So there is no much more efforts that you need to put. Okay, so listening is very easy and very simple to do. So if you want to start your English learning journey, so that is very easy and very simple way to start your English learning journey. So you should definitely start from listening, and trust me, you will definitely speak English from starting. Okay, so I hope that you understood that why I am telling you to start your journey from listening, because listening is very easy and we can easily speak. So you should start from listening. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. If you consider that this video is helpful for you, so make sure that you give a thumbs up of this video And thank you so much for watching this video, and please share this video to your friends and your relatives. And if you haven't followed me, so make sure that you follow me. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and keep learning.